Happy Tasty Thursday. Hi, I'm Julian Waters. I'm Nica Waters' son, and today I have the brilliant, absolutely genius urging to make chocolate-covered strawberries, and so
the chocolate chips, what did you do with the chocolate chips?
I melted them in the microwave for about 1 minute.
Okay.
I've refilled the bowl multiple times. This is probably not the most efficient melting method, I will say, because you get a lot of excess on the sides that you can't always utilize fully.
Probably could use it if you used a spoon.
And so I've cut a miniature makeshift pastry bag out of a 8 ounce ziplock, I think. Yeah, out of an 8 ounce ziplock. And I am now going to refill with chocolate so that I can continue in my artistry.
So he's used the same chocolate chip concoction to dip strawberries in it.
It's the reason that I do these layers after the fact, or the kind of spirals on top of it, is just because it adds a nice texture and it is visually appealing even if it winds up being the same color.
And we have the presentation master working on things. So what are you taking into account as you're working on this particular?
So I like to think of sight angles that, if you look at it from kind of any angle, you get an appealing visual texture and multiple colors. It's boring if you look at it. So like if I look at it from the front side here, all I see is the chocolate and not a whole lot of the red from the strawberry, but the blue of the blueberries, I don't know, it just gives the entire scene a little more colorful pop. And then obviously the geometry of the strawberries is nicely accented by the drizzle that I did over it.
You should probably drizzle chocolate on the plate.
Happy Tasty Thursday. No, that was super low energy.
Gotta have high energy.
Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend that you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves chocolate-covered strawberries, who absolutely loves summer sugar treats, or who just likes sugar in general. And be sure to be here again next week. There'll be something absolutely amazing, delicious. You can totally do it yourself in under an hour. And hope to see you guys again next Thursday. Have the most amazing week.
Talk to us about what you just did right there.
I put little wrinkles on top of the strawberries. Having multiple amounts of time on my hands, as one would during the summer, I have taken the time to delicately craft this gorgeous display of sugary perfection.